So now today's class we are going to say about the network concept. Okay. So basically, you know what is a network. So network is nothing but transferring of information from one side to another. That is sender to receiver. So that is the network. There is some information that you are going to share to some other person. That is not normal voice transmission you are going to do. The same manner you are going to transmit the information from one system to another system. So for that there is need of a network connection that you say as a data transmission, data communication, right? So here we have different types of communications, right? In that different types of communication. So first we are going to see about how the directions of data is going to flow. As I said earlier, so to transmit information from one side to another side, there is need of a network. So using that network, we are going to transmit the data. So transmitting the data depends upon different situations. That situation only we are going to see. Okay. So here in the direction of data flow depends upon simplex, half-duplex and full-duplex communication. You have different communication. Okay. So in that we have three different communication. The first one is simplex communication. As the name specifies, it is a simplex. It is nothing but simple. Okay, just you are transmitting some information to the another side. That is from source to destination. Okay, so you are going to transmit the information from one system to another system. There is no response from the receiver side. That is nothing but a simplex communication. That is one-way direction alone. So that is what I have specified. Direction of data flow. You can see the header part in the arrow bar. So it goes into the receiver side alone, sender to receiver. That is only one direction. Whereas in half-duplex communication, what happens is you are going to transfer data from source to destination. Consider this is as a source message and this is as a destination message. So you are going to transmit the information from sender to receiver. After the receiver receiving the data from the sender, what happens? The receiver gives the acknowledgement to the sender. Okay. So for example, let me consider hi. If I am sending some WhatsApp message hi to my friend. My friend what he does is he replies to me hi. Okay. So that is the response. So the sender sends a message to the receiver. Once the receiver receives the message, the receiver responds to the sender. So you can see the two different arrow marks from moving from left to right and right to left. This is a response. So it is a bi-direction. Okay. So this is an simplex is an unidirection and half-duplex is a bi-direction. Whereas the third communication, that is full-duplex communication, you can see this arrow mark. It is represented in both the sides. Okay. So sender to receiver. So the data transmits parallelly. Sender transmits information to the receiver. The same manner the receiver sends data to the sender. Okay. Both the direction the data will be transmitted. That is what they have said as a full duplex. So this is the different ways of communication: simplex, half-duplex and full duplex. In simplex communication, it is a one-way direction, that is from sender to receiver. Whereas half-duplex, sender transmits the information to the receiver at a time, and the next the receiver transmits the information to the sender. But whereas in full-duplex, sender as well as receiver both transmits the data at the simultaneously in a same time.